Hey, welcome back. Today, it's funny because I thought I was already recording, so this is basically take two, and I was gonna show you the like package that I received today. This, by the way, is the Skeleton Rexy from AO Racing, and as you can see, I already cut it because I thought I was recording, so that was a rookie mistake right there. But here I am recording it again for you guys. But I just want to show you where they actually put or ship a Skeleton Rexy. So Skeleton Rexy is in blister, right? And then for some reason they use bubble mailer, which is a no-go, right? And even a novice eBay seller would put this blister in a box. But for some reason they chose the same money. Maybe they chose the same money, and they chose the bubble mailer, which is, if you're a collector, you would hate to see this in the mail. But I just want to show you if my Skeleton Rexy arrived safely. So as I mentioned already, I already cut it, so I apologize. Rookie mistake, but here it is. Here it is. Okay, so far the back, because I'm looking at the back, right? So the back looks pretty good to me. I hope the front looks good. So bottom. Oh, there's a little bit of, oh no. You see this? Right there. There's a little bit of a crack line there, or like it's not really crack, right? But you can see that it got hit pretty bad in transit right there. And then also down here, in transit, this got hit pretty bad. And I'm just glad that it's not like super dented or cracked, but it's still bad. For blister collectors out there, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm usually a loose collector, but I'm planning to put this in an acrylic and then display it like this because of the AO exclusive or AO Racing exclusive card. And then it's pretty nice, you know. Got the black and white box, the black and white model, and the black and white card. So it looks pretty sick if you ask me. As for the model, it actually arrived fine. I don't see any QC issues from the outside. Usually it's the wing that breaks in transit, but so far I don't see any issues with the wing, and it's pretty straight, right? Pretty centered. Up top, I don't see any issues either. So that's a good sign. There's no crack or scratches or anything like that. No dents up here. No crack lines, right? It's just the bottom, which is unfortunate. Still, it's not that bad, but you know, that's why I want to make this video. Let me drink my coffee. That's why I want to make this video, because I want to send a message to AO Racing. I don't even know if this is going to reach their platform or whatever. But they got to do better. I mean, I understand that AO Racing's priority is not the merchandise space or collectible space, right? AO Racing is racing first, obviously, because they're a race team. But if they want to get serious into collectible space, they need to take care of the collectors, right? So stuff like this, I don't know if they didn't do their homework. Maybe they thought everybody opens their collectibles, right? Or their blisters. But, you know, a lot of people I know collect blisters. I don't know if they know that, but they got to do better shipping these to us collectors, right? I'm usually a loose collector, but this one, since it's a special card and an exclusive card, I'm planning to display this like this in an acrylic. And like I said in the beginning, a novice eBay seller would actually put this in a box. You know, it's, I want to say it's common sense, but I don't know why they chose to not protect this properly, and then chose to cheap out on us. I'm gonna show you a few photos of, you know, not destroyed, but damaged blisters online that I saw on Reddit, up here, Reddit, across all social platforms, right? Facebook, Instagram. I'll show you up here, and I actually collected them because I was planning to do this video to send a message to AO Racing. So hopefully it reaches them. If not, hey, I did my part, right? So that's all I have for today. And And like I said, I'm planning to keep this as is, like display it like this, there back there on my shelf, because I ordered or pre-ordered the global release from Mini GT. So that one I'm planning to open when I receive it, and I'll make sure to make a video of that and maybe compare it to other GT3R by Mini GT and other brands. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, this one's definitely going in an acrylic up there. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed that one. And to AO Racing, do better. I'm gonna enjoy my coffee now. Bye.